Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you Android clock secret tricks. So guys, the clock will be your password in this trick. You need to just install an app, and in the app your time will be your password, because it is time and the time will be keep changing, so nobody can guess what your password is. So for that you need to go to your Play Store and you need to search screen lock time password. You have to install this app. After installing this app, just open the app. Now turn on enable lock. Now you need to give all the permission required. Here you need to just select a recovery passcode. You can select any one of them. And you need to give a recovery answer. And then just tap on save. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.